And so do everything you can to engineer a system that uses simple aluminum alloys, simple copper alloys. And if you have to use tungsten, and maybe you have to use tungsten in some of your systems, which is a hard to find alloy, make sure you're using commonly available thicknesses of tungsten sheet. Those kinds of engineering analyses and thought processes at every step. And that's how we built these systems. From IPA to Venti up to Trenta was always looking at how do we build systems that are easy to build and mass produce. Because this is the other thing that I don't know that early in my career I predicted, is that by making 100 of a thing, you can actually make it faster than if you go make one of a thing.
Yeah.
And that because when you look at our fusion systems, we talked about these big magnets. And you could build one giant, big, complex, hard-to-make magnet that's heavy, and you have to move it around with a crane, and requires very complex machining by ultra-rare CNCs. Or you could then make that out of a composite of 100 smaller magnets. Each of those magnets now can be made on a simple machine. Each of these magnets can be picked up by a human. They're light enough. They can be made and manufactured and mass-produced. And that's what we did. And that was our whole design philosophy on these machines, is at every turn, how do we go faster?